We are incredibly fortunate to live in a time where our greatest adventures, memories, and life events don't just live in our hearts. They live at the tip of our fingers, anytime, on demand. But for me, the moments I capture are about the feeling, the emotion, the experience. Because logistics change, prices inflate at the blink of an eye, and the way a destination looks today may not be the same next week. But the feeling of a place, the joy of a shared meal, and the vulnerability of getting lost, those things are timeless. Think of me as your travel buddy, the one friend who's always on the go, excited to experience new things, but who also appreciates the value of slowing down and taking in the beauty around us. From the airport bloopers, super tired feet, to lining up for hours just to enjoy a single bowl of ramen. We are navigating massive cities, getting completely lost, and honestly, being grateful for being lost. It's about the raw experience. It's the blessing of being tired, and the pure excitement of waking up and doing it all over again. And the beauty in all of this is that you now have each of these experiences right at your fingertips, safely preserved and ready when you are. So grab a seat, hit subscribe, and let's live the experience together.